In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your logo size on your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to change it for aesthetic reasons or to better fit your brand's image, we'll go through a few straightforward steps using the theme editor. The best part? This method doesn't require any coding whatsoever, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, look for the option that says Online Store in the left sidebar. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Themes from there. This will lead you to a list of all your installed themes. Locate your active theme at the very top of the page. It should be prominently displayed. Next to it, you'll see a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click on that to open up the theme editor. Now that you're in the theme editor, you might be wondering where to find the logo settings. Depending on your specific theme, you may see a gear icon labeled Theme Settings, or you might find a section named Header. Click on whichever one is available to you. This will open up various options related to your theme's header, and more importantly, to your logo. As you navigate this section, look for options labeled something like Logo, Desktop Logo Width, Custom Logo Width, or Logo Size Height. These settings are your keys to resizing your logo. You might encounter a slider that allows you to adjust dimensions by dragging left or right, or an input box where you can specify the width or height numerically. At this point, make whatever changes you need to achieve the desired size for your logo. A good piece of advice here is to preview how your changes affect the rest of your page layout. This keeps your design looking well-balanced and professional. It's also worth noting that according to Shopify documentation, many themes have a default maximum logo width of around 300 pixels. Keep this in mind as you experiment with different sizes. Once you've settled on the perfect size, remember to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that your adjustments are reflected on your live site. Simply find the Save button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor, and click on it. And that's it. Your logo should now be at the size you specified, and it should appear just the way you envisioned it across your online store. Feel free to explore other adjustments in your theme settings to further tailor your site to reflect your brand's identity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Happy selling!